Thanks for choosing ABC for your facility's accreditation. We're always working to help make maintaining your accreditation as easy as possible. That's why we've created lots of great resources for your team, many of which are exclusive to ABC accredited facilities. That means you'll need to log in first to see them. Let's head on over and log in to your facility's My ABC account. Remember to choose the middle box for accredited facilities. Under the Our Resources section of your account page, you'll find lots of helpful links. Perhaps one of the most valuable resources listed is our Compliance Kit resource pack. Let's check it out. Our exclusive accreditation compliance kit is designed to help make the accreditation process successful. The kit includes a handy compliance calendar with tips for managing your compliance year-round, and an ever-growing resource pack loaded with sample forms, templates, checklists, and articles. Simply click on an item to view or download and modify it to fit your facility's needs. But that's far from everything. We also produce newsletters, webinars, and podcasts, all at no charge to you. Our Credcast podcast series covers a wide range of topics, many of which are accreditation and compliance focused. Our podcasts have an average of 425 listeners per episode, making us the #1 podcast for the OP&P profession. Check out our episode library or subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. Thinking ahead, as your business grows, you may need to add new products or services to your accreditation. It's easy with our custom standards tool. Take the guesswork out of determining which standards apply to you. Select all of the products and services you provide current and new, and click View Results to get a personalized list of standards to view or download. Looking for information and resources to share with patients and caregivers? Direct them to our onpcare.org consumer website, which provides a glossary of OP&P terms, a provider directory, info on financial assistance, and more. We hope these many resources help you stay in compliance, improve your business, and serve your patients. And if you ever have any questions, we're here for you anytime. We look forward to helping you accomplish your goals.